Welcome students. Today I am going to teach from Geography 5th lesson Biosphere. Learning objectives to understand the scope and meaning of biosphere. To understand the meaning of ecosystem, its components, functions and biodiversity. To understand the major biomass of the world. To know the need for conservation of biomass. Introduction about biosphere. Biosphere is the fourth sphere of the earth, is a life supporting layer that exists on the earth's surface. This layer on the earth encompasses the lithosphere. Hydrosphere and atmosphere, it includes flora and fauna that thrive on the or near the earth's surface. The vertical range of biosphere is approximately 20 km, which is measured from the ocean floor to the troposphere. However, most plants and animals live in a very narrow sections for about 1 km above and below the mean sea level. Biosphere is made up of different ecosystem and biomass. Ecosystem. An ecosystem is a community where all living organisms live and interact with one another and also with their non-living environment such as land, soil, air, water, etc. Ecosystems range in size from the smallest units, example bark of a tree that can sustain life, to the global ecosystem or ecosphere. Example, pond ecosystem, forest ecosystem, desert ecosystem, etc. Biosphere harbors all ecosystem on the earth and sustains life forms including mankind. Components of ecosystems. Abiotic factors and abiotic factors. Abiotic factors divided into two divisions: climatic factors and edaphic factors. Climatic factors example rain, temperature, light, wind. Edaphic factors soil, minerals, topography. Biotic factors divided into three divisions: producers, consumers and decomposers. Producers example green plants and autotrophs. Consumers primary, secondary and tertiary and autotrophs. Decomposers example bacteria, fungi and saprotrophs. Components of ecosystem. An ecosystem consists of three basic components, namely abiotic components, biotic components and energy components. Biotic components include plants, animals and microorganisms. Biotic components can be classified into three categories: producers, consumers. Producers are self-nourishing components of the ecosystem, hence they are called autotrophs. They are found both on land and water. Example, plants, algae, bacteria, etc. Consumers are those that depend on producers directly or indirectly, hence they are called heterotrophs. The common category of consumers are primary consumers, depend on the producers for their food. They are exclusively herbivorous. Example, zebra, goat, etc. Secondary consumers are small carnivorous. Example, they consume herbivorous. Example, lion, snake, etc. Tertiary consumers are top carnivorous that prey on both herbivorous and carnivorous. Example, owl, crocodile, etc. Abiotic components include the non-living, inorganic, physical and chemical factors in the environment, example land, air, water, calcium, iron, etc. Decomposers are some organisms that are incapable of preparing its own food. They live on dead and decaying plants and animals. Hence, they are called saprotrophs, example fungus, mushrooms, etc. Energy components. All organisms in the biosphere use energy to work and convert one form of energy into another. The sun is the ultimate source of energy for the biosphere as a whole. The solar energy gets transformed into other forms of energy through the various components in the ecosystem. The producers, consumers. Functions of ecosystem. The functional attributes of the ecosystem keep the components running together. Ecosystem functions are natural process or exchange of energy that take place in various plant and animal communities of different biomass of the world. For instance, green leaves prepare food and roots absorb nutrients from the soil. Herbivores feed on the leaves and the roots and in turn serves as a food for carnivores. Decomposers execute the functions of breaking down the complex organic materials into simple inorganic products which are used by the producers. Fundamentally, ecosystem functions are exchange of energy and nutrients in the food chain. These exchanges sustain plant and animals' life on the planet as well as the decomposition of organic matter and the production of biomass. All these functions of the ecosystem take place through delicately balanced and controlled process. Food chain, the order of living organisms in a community in which one organism consumes other and is itself consumed by another organisms. To transfer energy is called a food chain. Food chain is also defined as a chain of organisms existing in any natural community through which energy is transferred. Every living being, irrespective of their size and habitat, from the tiniest algae to giant blue whales, need food to survive. Food chain is structured differently for different species in different ecosystems. Each food chain is the vital pathway for energy and nutrients to follow through the ecosystem. A food chain starts with a producer such as plants. Producers form the basis of the food chains. Then there are consumers of many orders. Consumers are organisms that eat other organisms. All organisms in a food chain except the first organisms are consumers. Plants are called producers because they produce their own food through photosynthesis. Animals are called consumers because they depend on plants or other animals for food to get energy they need. In a certain food chain, each organism gets energy from the one at the level below. In a food chain, there is reliable energy transfer through each stage. All the energy at one stage of the chain is not absorbed by the organisms at the next stage. Food web. The word web means network. Food web can be defined as a network of
interconnected food chains so as to form a number of feeding relationships amongst different organisms of a biotic community. A food chain cannot stand isolated in an ecosystem. The same food resource may be a part of more than one chain. This is possible when the resources are at the lower trophic level. A food web comprises all the food chains in a single ecosystem. It is essential to know that each living thing and ecosystem is a part of multiple food chains. A single food chain is the single possible path that energy and nutrients may make while passing through the ecosystem. All the interconnected and overlapping food chains in an ecosystem make up a food web. Food webs are significant tools in understanding that plants are the foundation of all ecosystem and food chains, sustaining life by providing nourishment and oxygen needed for survival and reproduction. The food web provides stability to the ecosystem. The territory consumers are eaten by quaternary consumers. For example, the ox that eats owls. Each food chain ends with the top predators and animal with no natural enemies, such as an alligator, hawk, or polar bear.